Issuing a bond at a premium means that the market rate of interest is lower than the interest stated on the bond. This example shows a bond with a stated interest rate of 9% when the market interest rate is 8%. This bond will sell for more than the maturity value because the buyer is getting a greater interest rate than the market would pay. The journal entry is a debit to cash, a credit to bonds payable, and a credit to premium on bonds payable. From here, it's pretty much the opposite of the discount. Instead of the bond working up to the maturity value, we're working it down. On the balance sheet, you can see the bonds payable listed at the maturity value and the premium at the current amount for a total of the actual selling price of the bond. Again, an amortization table, and again, if you can use Excel, it's a great tool for creating things like this. This highlights that the bond's carrying value starts at $104,000 and is gradually reduced to $100,000. Again, the interest payment is based on the contract rate. The expense is based on the market rate. The interest expense is equal to the previous period carrying value times the market rate of interest. The premium amortization is the difference between the payment and the actual expense. The premium is reduced with each period. The journal entry for each interest payment is a debit to interest expense, a debit to premium on bonds payable, and a credit to cash. This chart shows the expense and the premium gradually being reduced to zero. This shows the bond gradually being reduced to $100,000.